Welcome back and happy Wednesday. Last time we went over the time signature 4/4, learned quarter, half, and whole notes and rests. Today we're going to cover the time signature 3/4, 2/4, eighth notes and rests, dotted notes, and flats and sharps. Ready? Let's go! How did you feel about Music Theory Lesson 2? You have a hang of it now? Let's go over our time signatures. Last time we went over the time signature of 4/4. That means we have 4 beats per measure and the quarter note gets 1 beat. So if we have a time signature of 3/4, what does that mean? Any guesses? Remember, the top number is the amount of beats in a measure. That means in the 3/4 time, there are 3 beats in a measure, not 4 beats. And we still have a 4 at the bottom. So what does that mean? It means the quarter note still gets the beat. So now, instead of counting to 4, we count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do a counting exercise. Ready? Don't forget, I always do a 1 measure count off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, rest, 3, rest, 2, 3, rest, 1, 2. Not too much different, huh? It's not too bad when the quarter note is still 1 beat. Ready to tackle more time signatures? 2/4? What do you think 2/4 means? Our top number is how many beats are in a measure. So we have the number 2. That means now we only have 2 beats in each measure. Our bottom number is still 4, so that means, that's right, the quarter note still gets the beat. So now when we count, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's take a look at an example and let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great! That wasn't too hard. Okay, let's look at some new note values, shall we? This is an eighth note. It is half the value of a quarter note. When there are 2 eighth notes back to back, they look like this. They are tied together with a bar. When counting the eighth note, it is 1 and. To tie it, it's ta-ta. There is an eighth rest as well, and it looks like this. Now, when there are 2 eighth rests, it'll just be shown as the quarter rest. Let's take a look at some examples and let's count some of them. Okay, if our music looks like this, remember, the first thing we'll do is look at the time signature. Our time signature is 3/4. I'm going to count this first and then ta it. This song has what's called a pickup note. We have 1 note before the first measure, so on my count off, that means that note will hit on 3. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, now I'm going to ta it. Ready? 1, 2, ta, 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 ta. Okay, let's do a few more. Here's the next one. Now, when you see this, these are still eighth notes together. So this would be 1 and 2 and. I know this can be a little confusing, but as we go along, it will make more sense. All right, let's count this out. Remember to look at our time signature. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Great! How did you do? So looking back at the song, we didn't cover this half note with the dot. So what does that mean? So a dot after the note increases the note value by half of the original note. Wait, what? Let me explain further. So here is a half note. It is worth 2 beats, right? So now we have a dotted half note. So the dot is worth half of the note value. So half of 2 beats is 1 beat. That means this dot is worth 1 beat. So when we have a dotted half note, do you know how much it's worth now? A dotted half note is worth 3 beats. Okay, now that we know the value of our last note, let's ta this piece. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ta. Great job. If you are struggling to understand the dotted note, please let me know in the comments. I'll go over it with you. All right, ready for the next exercise? Ready? Don't forget to look at the time signature. We're going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Rest. All right, let's ta it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. How was that? Let's do something new. Let's clap it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Okay, let's do another song. Let's count this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's ta it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Awesome. Okay, let's clap it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How was that? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, are you ready to learn about sharps and flats? Let's move over to the piano. Okay, do you remember all our notes on the staff? These are all the white keys. If you see this symbol, that is a flat. A flat is a half step down. Here's an example. We have the note A. Now, here is the note G. Now, here is A flat. It's lower than A, but higher than G. It's in between them. Now, looking at the piano to represent, the black keys are either a flat or a sharp. So once again, here is A, here is G, and here is A flat. You see how it's the black key? Now, a good way to remember that a flat is lower is to remember a flat tire. Flat tires make the car a little closer to the ground. Now, this is a sharp symbol. I know it looks like a hashtag, but the word hashtag and what it does is fairly new. The sharp symbol has been used way before the internet or computers. The sharp has been used since around 1450. But a good way to remember that a sharp is higher, you can think of it as a hashtag. Use it for higher views. All right, let's do some exercises, shall we? I'm going to play along with our music, and I'm going to ask you what to do when we come up to our symbols. Ready? Here we go. Okay, now which symbol is this? Is it lower or higher than B? This is a flat, and it is lower. You know what song that is? Hot Cross Buns. Okay, ready for the next exercise? Let's go. Now, what symbol is this? It's a sharp. Is it higher or lower than E? Higher. Uh-oh, we didn't discuss this next one. Well, that is a natural, so that means it's back to the white key. All right, is this a sharp or a flat? It's a sharp, and it is higher. How was that? Not too bad. Great job today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section as well. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.